Welcome respected viewers. Today I bring a tutorial on 13th President Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee belonged to a Kulin Brahmin and India freedom fighter family. He was born on 11th December 1935 in a village Mirathi in Lapur Community Development Block in Bolpur subdivision of Birbhum district of Indian state of West Bengal. Distance from Mirathi to Behrampur is 67 km and Mirathi to Kolkata is 172.3 km. District town name is Suri. His father Kamda Kinkar Mukherjee was an active member of the Indian independence movement and West Bengal Legislative Council between 1952 and 1964, where he represented the Indian National Congress. His mother, Raj Lakshmi, was also a freedom fighter and took part in Indian independent movement. Kamda Kinkar Mukherjee had four daughters, Annapurna Mukherjee, Krishna Mukherjee, Jharna Mukherjee and Swagata Mukherjee, and two sons, Piyush Mukherjee and Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee is called by his nickname Poltu to his parents. Others are called Pranabda and Pranab Kaku. Pranab Mukherjee got married to Subhra Mukherjee on 13th July 1957. They had two sons, Abhijit Mukherjee, Indrajit Mukherjee, and a daughter, Sharmistha Mukherjee. His wife Subhra Mukherjee died on 18th August 2015. Education. Mr. Mukherjee went to a free school in Mirathi village for his primary studies and then to Shiv Chandra Uच्च Vidyalaya for high school education in nearby village Kirnahar. It is known by Pranab's school. At the time of Mr. Mukherjee, the roads in the village were generally muddy and waterlogged during the monsoon, so he sometimes had to wear a gamcha with his pants in his bag and walk barefoot 2 kilometers to school. 1st July 1952, Pranab Mukherjee did his degree from Suri Vidyasagar College, Suri. He completed his master in political science and history from the University of Calcutta. Also LLB degree from same university as well. Mr. Mukherjee was working as a tutor at the time because he decided not to take money from his father while continuing his education in Kolkata. Pranab Mukherjee's early life, his first job was an upper division clerk in the office of Deputy Accountant General Calcutta. In 1963, he joined an assistant professor of political science in Vidyasagar College, Kolkata. He also worked as a journalist in the newspaper Desher Dak, Call of Motherland. Political career. At the time of Prime Ministership of Indira Gandhi in 1969, Pranab Mukherjee entered in politics and became a member at the Rajya Sabha. He respected and considered Mrs. Gandhi as his mentor. He was re-elected in 1975, 1981, 1993 and 1999 to the Rajya Sabha. He was described the man for all sessions. He was active during the year 1975-1977, the controversial emergency imposed for 2 years. 1979 elected deputy leader of Indian National Congress, Rajya Sabha. 1980 leader of the House. In the absence of Prime Minister, he presided over the cabinet meetings. 1982 to 1984 Finance Minister. 1984 after death of Indira Gandhi, he was barred from the mainstream politics and sent to manage the regional West Bengal Pradesh Congress committee. Then he formed new party Rashtriya Samajwadi Congress RSC in West Bengal. Later it merged with the Congress, a compromise with Rajiv Gandhi. 1991 after death of Rajiv Gandhi, he served as the deputy chairman of the Indian Planning Commission. 1995 to 1996 External Affairs Minister in Narasimha Rao's cabinet. 1998 to 1999 he was appointed as the General Secretary of the AICC All India Congress Committee after Sonia Gandhi became the President of Congress.
2000 to 2010 President of the West Bengal Congress. 2004 Leader of the House in the lower house of the Parliament Lok Sabha. 2012 to 2017 became a 13th President of India, so he retired from politics. He was awarded on 2008 India's second highest civilian award Padma Bhushan. 2019 India's highest civilian award Bharat Ratna. Foreigners Awards 2013 Bangladesh Liberation War Honor Bangladesh Mukti Juddha Sanman. 2016 Grand Cross of National Order of Knighthood of the Ivory Coast. Grand Collar of the Order of Macraios to Highest Order of Merit Award by Cyprus. Books written by Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. Middle Term Poll 1984 Beyond Survival Emerging Dimensions of Indian Economy. 1987 Off the Track. 1992 The Saga of Struggle and Sacrifice. 1992 Challenge Before the Nation. 2011 Congress and the Making of the Indian Nation. 2014 Thoughts and Reflections. 2014 Dramatic Decade, the Indira Gandhi Years. 2015 Selected Speech. 2016 The Turbulent Years 1980 to 1996. 2018 The Coalition Years and etc. Facts. He was the first Bengali to become the 13th President of India. He enjoyed reading, gardening and music. He was inspired by the Chinese leader Deng Xiaoping and he often used to quote him in his literary work and speech. He never missed celebrating Durga Puja at his ancestral home in Mirati village, Birbhum district, West Bengal. He loved to eat jackfruit. Death. We lost a glorious son of Bengal on 31st August 2020. We salute him. Remember forever. Thanks for watching. Request for like, subscribe and comments on the tutorial.